Good research always start with a problem, and in the research that I'm in, it's always start with some problem that the industry have. Then you need to connect the problem to some theory, and actually, often you need to define what's the gap, the research gap of your problem is. Often then you have to in some way state the research aim and the purpose, how we will solve it, and preferably by stating a number of questions that you need to get answers on. And from these questions you often do a sort of methodological type of planning. You need what kind of methods do you need to use to answer the research questions. And when you have done that, of course you perform your research. And then eventually you come up with some answers, and then you have to both state what your answer is and how that contributes to your theory you have selected. And you also need to give some contribution to the industry back, because you need to provide them with some answers, solutions, so that I can use practically. So that's the ideal research for me. Of course, you can do this in a number of ways, but that's the sort of ideal that you need to strive.